All right, today we're looking at multi-step equations. We got a good example right here. Now what you're going to notice first is that we have parentheses not only on one side but on both sides of the equation. So what I like to do is I like to separate my equation into two sides so I can keep them organized. And first step in the order of operations is always parentheses. So we're going to multiply first. And in this case we have it, like I said, on both sides. So for A, I'm just going to drop that straight down. No operation to do there. -3, remember that the negative sign and minus sign, they work the same exact way. So -3 times A is -3A, and -3 times -2, two negatives make a positive, and 3 times 2 is 6. Over here on this side, 2 times 3A is 6A, and 2 times -2 is -4. Okay, so what you'll notice now is that we have, again, four A's here, and we have -3 A's here. Alright, we have to combine those, put them together. We want to get them all in the same location. So 4A minus 3A is just simply A. I'm going to bring down my 6. And on the other side, nothing to combine, no like terms. Can't combine A's with constants. Alright, so A's on both sides of the equation. What I'm going to do is I'm always going to pick the smallest number because that's going to keep my numbers positive. And I like dealing with positive numbers. It just makes it a little easier for me to wrap my mind around. Alright, so we have another zero pair here. A minus A is 0. What you do on one side, you have to do on the other side in order to keep your equation balanced. 6A minus A is 5A. I'm going to bring down my -4. And on the other side, the only thing I have remaining is 6. So in that last step, all we've done is we've moved all the A's to the right-hand side of the equation. They're all here now. So now what we have to do is move all the non-variable numbers, or what we call constants, to the opposite side. So in order to get rid of the -4, I'm going to add 4. Another zero pair. Okay, keeping it balanced, 6 plus 4 is 10, and the only thing I have left on the right-hand side is 5A. What we're remaining here with is just simply a one-step equation. We want to get A by itself. 5 times A, the opposite of times, is divide. So the 5's cancel out, leaving me with A, and 10 divided by 5 is 2. And we can check that again by plugging in the 2 in all of those locations, and at that point it would be correct if you get the same number equals the same number. If you get different numbers on each side, you know that you've made a mistake and you have to go back and double check.